Hello and welcome to another episode of Scent Explorer. I am Muhammad Ahsan and today we are going to explore another scent from Swiss Arabia, and which is a scent for men, that is Imperial Arabia, this one. So here is the box and here is the bottle. So I'm going to show you right now. So this is the bottle and let me just make it as close as I can. So this is the bottle and this is the box. So these are the, so box is not very special, just a very simple kind of red box. So let's see the packaging. This is very simple box, just a little bit embedded over here, embed a feeling of Imperial Arabia, that is all. So it is red box with some golden touch to it, and then this is the bottle. So this is the bottle, but I have seen a lot of people that they actually get trouble with the bottle, and which is this cap. So you can see now this cap is not easy to fix. Now they have replaced it with another new bottle design, which is a golden cap, and the bottle is kind of a bit oval kind of shape overall. So they have discarded this bottle. Okay, so if you like Arabian scents, I am going to just simply say that this is a fruity, wet Arabian in light incensey scent. So this is the scent when you go to Arabic markets or when you go to some Arabic shops, you can sense these kind of scents. Now let's spray this one on a piece of paper. The smell is very nice, so I'm going to spray it over here. This is a very nice fruity incensey perfume. I think one of the best I love from this line. They say it has grapefruit, but I don't detect much you can say tanginess or sourness in this perfume. There is nothing like any orange or citrus kind of a start. The start is a kind of very sweet wet incense. Start is very sweet wet incense. So they have listed like artemisia, lavender. Lavender is there, but it is blended very well. I think you cannot locate its scent. A little bit of spicy, have some spices because it is a scent for men, and also it's Arabian scents are mostly have some orients in them. So this is, yes, very nicely blended sweet wet incense. So why I am keep saying wet, because some of the perfumes, they give you a very dry feeling. So when they are very dry, or then when they are very much drier, then so they become a little bit powdery, and they have glowing effect when you apply them in the summer. So you cannot apply them if you live in a very cold areas like Canada or something like that. You can apply powdery scents, but here in other areas where we have humid or hot temperature, you cannot apply such those perfumes. Okay, so if you hate vanilla note, just like me, I don't like vanilla note. Vanilla is really blended very well over here. You cannot have a vanilla in your face. So most of the perfumes, they have chemical vanilla, and when you smell it, I mostly start getting headaches. So vanilla is a very light touch of vanilla over here. Okay, so now I am smelling some grapefruit. You can see if you look at the grapefruit, there is smell. When you cut the grapefruit, you get the smell from the inner side of the grapefruit. That smell is over here. I'm not smelling any ambergris. Maybe it is for the power of to increase the potency or power of this perfume. Very sweet, delightful, wet incensey, very light incense. It is a bit on the fruity side. The sweet doesn't mean that it is floral sweet or something, that it is on the fruity side. So they have listed grapefruit over here and apricot over here. So I think the mixture of apricot and grapefruit is a bit on the sweeter side. It is not on the sour kind of side or tangier side. Here they might have used oud abiyad or white oud, but it is very in very low quantity, so it is not almost not detectable. It is really well blended over here. I think this is a very good perfume. I don't like orris root too. So one of my friends, Rai Munir Sahib, he is the gem of attar making and all these raw materials. I got orris root from him, and these were very small, like you can say, just like butter, small particles of buttery kind of particles, but their smell was buttery, very you can say very, for me it was very spiky. So they were, you know, I was going to have a headache. So orris root on its own, I don't think it is a very nice smell, but if you blend it or balance the other notes like the sweet notes over here, grapefruit and lavender and apricot, it is going to work really well. I think they have used it with lavender, I think. So it actually balancing out the very sweet or very you can say flowery nature of those three notes over here. So in simple terms, I'm going to give you just in simple terms. I don't sense a lot of leather over here. If you hate leather smells, like I don't like leathery smells or leathery scents or leathery perfumes. And if you don't like high florals or very highly pitched vanillas or very highly pitched kind of florals, or maybe some you can say fruity sometimes. I also don't like very high pitched fruity scents where you just look like that you have applied bubblegum syrup on yourself or spilled some syrup on yourself. This is really nicely done. So leather here is it is just like one of another perfume I have. I think it was Nawaf. I think yes, it was Nawaf from the same house. It had some plastic vibe. So leather over here have like maybe 1 or 2% of plastic vibe, but it is really well blended. So if you like, if you are a beginner in perfumery, or you like sweet perfumes, or you don't want to be, you know, test a very daring kind of incensey or dry powdery scent, this is for you. This is wet, light, sweet, fruity kind of incensey smell, very nicely blended and really well done. So this is my review for this Imperial Arabia by Swiss Arabian. Okay, so this is my review for this one, and this is the bottle. I really enjoyed this perfume. Although I haven't applied it in many years, maybe I think I have used it just once because I have other perfumes, so or maybe my taste has a little bit developed, so I don't like that kind of fruity sweet perfumes. So if you do like sweety incense or fruity, light fruity kind of incensey perfumes that are not dry in nature, this one is for you. So stay tuned, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. We will meet in another video. Till then, take care.